How to change video color. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I would like to change the colors in this video. Right-click in your project panel and select New Item, Adjustment Layer. The default settings should match your sequence. Click OK. Now drag adjustment layer above your clip and timeline and make sure the size of it is the same as your clip. Then go to Effects panel and search for Tint. Drag and drop Tint effect into your adjustment layer. With your adjustment layer selected, go to Effect Controls and under Tint, use this button to map the white color to a color of your liking. If you want to change your video color to a single color, using Map White to is a good option. Also decrease the amount to around 60% for a more settled effect. If you want a different lighter effect, set Map White to back to white and change the Map Black to a color of your liking. Finally, to create a multicolor blended tint, change both colors. Now to use the tint over time. Move the playhead at the start and set amount to tint to 0 and click on stopwatch next to it to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead a little forward and set amount to around 70% to create the second keyframe. Move the playhead to where you want to start setting tint back to the original and click on the circle button to create a keyframe with the current value. Then move the playhead a little forward and set the amount to 0. Pay attention that I used an adjustment layer earlier so you can change the blending mode and create awesome effects. Just play with the blend mode to get your desired effect. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.